Dreamweaver has a very sizable cockpit. Probably could seat 10 to 15 people in it easily. But when you're on anchor, it's a little bit hard to move around the steering wheel, especially on the sides where the seating is. So we've always wanted to do something about that, and today we're going to do it. We're going to install a folding steering wheel. They're kind of pricey, but we found one on sale. It fits the bill, and you'll see how we put one in.
And look around. So many new things to be found. I know a place where you can go, where there's no one to tell you yes or no. If you just look into your heart, you will find there. That's the place to start. If you take a step,
Lewmar is the only company that I know of that makes a folding steering wheel for sailboats. And I've seen them go as high as $1,200, definitely $1,000. But if you keep watch on Amazon, every once in a while you can catch them on sale for about $810. And that's what we did. And we bought one. They fit both straight shafts and tapered shafts. It comes as a kit, so it fits both. So you need to keep an eye on it if you're wanting one. First thing you'll want it to do is to remove that center hub, which is used as a clutch or brake to hold the wheel steady in a stopped motion when you're setting at anchor. Keep the wheel from turning around and around. So screw it all the way out. That'll release it from the clutch mechanism. That'll give you the ability to get to the nut, which actually holds the wheel on. And that's for straight or tapered. Next, use a pair of channel locks, or a wrench is even better if you have one that fitted. It's pretty good sized nut in the middle. And hold the wheel steady and turn that nut counterclockwise to release it. Screw the nut all the way out so you'll be able to get the wheel off. The wheel's keyed, so it's not going to just fall off, and it's kind of pressed on, especially if it has a taper on it, which this one did. So you'll be able to grab the wheel once you get the nut off, and you'll be able to pull that wheel off. It's on there pretty good, so you'll really have to kind of give it a little jerk. Be careful not to hurt yourself as you pull it off, but it will come off. So just reverse the procedure to actually put it back on. Here's what it looks like with it on, with it folded in. To fold it out, you just pull the two arched pieces straight out, and they'll fold out, and then the two knobs will turn to steady it and actually secure it, so it makes sure it doesn't fold back in. Looks really good, gives a lot of room in the cockpit, especially when you're at anchor. And here's what it looks like folded out and actually being used to steer the boat. And here's a little update on the dry build system that we installed a couple of episodes ago. And here's what it looks like with a timer installed in the panel. Okay, we got the timer mounted for the dry build, and it's working really well so far. So got that mounted in. Might color the screws black, but anyway, it's working so far. So far so good. Okay, thanks for watching this week. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our Patreon. We will see you next week.